Ling Portal Gentle Podcast to Fluency.
English Small Talk. Easy sentences for daily conversations. Small talk practice for shadowing.
Hello and welcome to Ling Portal, your calm space to listen, repeat, shadow and speak English in a slow and natural way. Today we'll practice small talk, those short, simple conversations you have every day. Small talk isn't small. It helps you sound friendly, confident, and open. It's how we connect with people, at work, in a shop, in a café, or with new friends. We'll practice short dialogues you can use in real life. Listen carefully, shadow both voices, and soon these phrases will come naturally. Let's begin. Part 1. Saying hello. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. Good morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I can't complain.
Hi there. Lovely to see you again.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Now you try. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Part 2. Talking about the weather. Weather is a classic topic for small talk. Simple, natural, and safe. It's so sunny today.
Yes, finally. It feels like summer.
It's a bit cold this morning, isn't it?
Yeah, I had to wear my scarf.
It looks like rain.
I hope not. I didn't bring my umbrella.
You can always start with the weather. It's friendly and easy. Part 3. Talking about the weekend. People love to talk about their weekends. How was your weekend?
It was nice, thank you. I went to the park.
Did you do anything fun?
Yes, I watched a good film.
Do you have plans for this weekend?
Maybe I'll visit my friends.
Try saying it with me. How was your weekend? It was nice, thank you.
Part 4. At work or school. Small talk at work helps build good relationships. Busy day today?
Yes, a lot of meetings.
Same here. I need another coffee. How's your project going?
Pretty well. I'm almost finished.
It's Monday again.
I know, weekends are never long enough.
Small talk at work helps you feel comfortable, confident, and part of the team. Even a simple question can open a friendly conversation.
Part 5. In a café or shop. These are very useful sentences for daily life. Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, thank you. It smells great in here.
Yes, they always have fresh bread. How's your day been so far?
Busy but good. How about yours?
Can't complain. The day's going quickly.
Repeat with me. Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Sure, would you like milk or sugar? Part 6. Meeting new people. When you meet someone for the first time, these sentences help start a friendly chat. Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from Dublin.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. It's a lovely place.
These short questions help you sound open and kind.
Part 7. Everyday conversations. Here are some simple phrases you can use anywhere. How's everything?
Pretty good, thanks.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been ages.
You're looking great today.
Thanks, you too.
It's nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
Shadow slowly and feel the rhythm of real English conversation. Part 8. Polite endings. Every small talk needs a kind ending. Anyway, I should get going.
Sure. See you later.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Take care.
Have a good day.
You too.
Remember, a smile and a kind word make every conversation better. Final practice. Now let's shadow a short dialogue together. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A bit tired, but good.
Busy week?
Yes, a lot of work. What about you?
Same here, but I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Me too. Let's survive Friday first.
Repeat as many times as you need. Small talk becomes natural when you do it often. You did great today. These short sentences help you connect, not just speak, but communicate. Next time you meet someone, try using one or two of these phrases. Smile, relax, and enjoy the moment. I'm Emily, and this is Ling Portal. See you next time for more calm, real English.